Here we are at the Pageant of the Masters. This is an art festival that has been going on for over 80 years. It's a little bit more sophisticated art than the Sawdust Festival, a little more refined high-end art. You can kind of feel it when you go in there that it's a little bit more of an elegant ambiance, a little bit more mellow. They have a beautiful amphitheater inside for recreating live art. So they take a painting and they recreate it live. It's really amazing. It's hard to imagine the concept, but when you see it, it's actually incredible.